There are two types of value. One is called as intrinsic value, another is called as extrinsic value. Intrinsic value is those value which are value in itself. Value in itself. That means something you cannot do to achieve something else. For example, love. You cannot love someone in order to get the benefit out of that person. Love is complete in itself. You cannot have that value in order to achieve, I want to love this person so that I can get this money. That's not love, right? Similarly, you cannot, if I'm mother, I cannot take care of a child because if tomorrow he will become IS officer and give me bungalow. Right? Mothers don't do that. Yeah, or parents don't do that. That is the care. They feel like this care itself is a value. But let's say the power you want, right? You want to become civil servant, you want the power. Why you want to get power? Is I got the power, done. It's not like you want to get power in order to serve society, in order to serve people, or in order to increase your social prestige. So that is a medium. That is the extrinsic value. That is the value through which you want to achieve something else. Wealth. Is the objective? Is creating money, getting money is the objective? No, money is not the value. Money, getting profit, earning money, or accumulating wealth is to get more happiness. That is the people think, right? If I will have this wealth, I will be having this car. What is car? Car is the medium through which you want to get comfort. So ultimately happiness is the objective. So happiness is the intrinsic value. However, this wealth, power, prestige, social status, these are also values, but these are called as the extrinsic value because those are the means through which you achieve some other value.